Dear friends, so today is our first lecture on the law of trust. And here with me today is Neela Gibb. I've been waiting for Neela for a long time to join us as a co-lecturer. She is an encyclopedia, in my opinion. She knows so many things. Hello, Neela.
Hello, Olga. How are you doing?
I'm all right. So today we have our first lecture on the law of trust. Was it your favorite subject when you used to study?
Not quite. In fact, I found equity and trust and the law of trust a little challenging. The subject is actually a go-between subject, I would say. It's a go-between the law of property, BLP, civil litigations, and property. In fact, a lot of contract law as well involved. So it's a quite tricky subject. I found it quite challenging, but it's interesting at the same time.
Any sort of suggestions why actually it's so difficult in your opinion? What is this reason which makes it a challenge?
It's the subject matter. I find it very. Some of the concepts are pretty vague. So I'm a very pragmatic practitioner. So I find something to be able to learn quickly is to actually relate to my practice and in real life. The one that helps though in the law of trust in terms of help me with my learning in the past is to imagine that I sit in that situation, and thankfully it helps because it's to do with testamentary and disposition, so that helps. So if there's a tip that I could give is to place yourself as a practitioner in real life while you do your reading and revisions, and that will help to speed up.
Wonderful. So we actually are going today tackle more technical, more theoretical part of the trust. And in the next lecture, maybe we will make it more practical. Maybe we even will make some discussion between ourselves, like challenging different scenarios, because then we will have everything linked to constructive trust and resulting trust. I honestly like trust, even though it's a challenge. And the reason I think it's still a substantive law for many practice areas, as you've mentioned. So wherever we go, and it also relates to other substantive law like contract. Again,